Go home happy with the 2021 BMW 325i. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Experience the exhilaration that comes from driving the iconic 3 Series sedan. With its superb handling, balance, agility, and power at your command, you'll feel every thrill the road has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, dual zone AC. Seize the opportunity to be part of a motorsport legend. Drive the 3 Series sedan.